Okay, so the shirt that I will be making today is the shirt that I have on. Okay, and this shirt, you guys, this is Tupac. Listen, y'all know I love Tupac. Now that's my guy right there. So I'm definitely gonna do a Tupac shirt. Okay, I may have multiple Tupac shirts, but anyway, besides the point. By the way, I love this little chair, even though it's just rolling around. This is the shirt that I'm going to be making. It's cropped, and like I said, it has a V-neck right here. This shirt can be worn multiple ways, 3 different ways that I know of. So I'm just going to go over the shirt a little bit and show you how you can wear the shirt, how you can style it a little bit, and then we'll jump right into recreating another shirt that looks just like this one. Okay, welcome back, you guys. If you guys have been following me for a length of time, you would have realized that I have changed the name of my channel from TThompsonstyledit to I am now called Iamtonyalatise. So listen, welcome back to my channel. This is Iamtonyalatise. Hey y'all. Okay, today we are making a shirt. Okay. One of the things I like to do is make a lot of DIY shirts, so you will find that out very shortly as well. And if you go and look over my channel, you will find a lot of videos that I have done with a lot of shirts that I have recreated. Okay, so anyway, let's get into this video. Okay, so the shirt that I will be making today is the shirt that I have on. Okay, and this shirt, you guys, this is Tupac. Listen, y'all know I love Tupac. Now that's my guy right there. So I'm definitely going to do a Tupac shirt. Okay, I may have multiple Tupac shirts, but anyway, besides the point. This shirt I made, and this is it's basically like a V-neck shirt, but it's a pretty deep V shirt. On the back, I don't know if you guys, I'll turn around. Anyway, so the back is just like a regular round collar on the back. Okay, so love this little chair, it's so comfy. But anyway, so this is the shirt that I'm going to be making. It's cropped, and like I said, it has a V-neck right here. This shirt can be worn multiple ways, 3 different ways that I know of. Okay, so like I said, this is the shirt. This is the shirt that I have on right now. Okay, so right now I'm wearing this shirt as it is right now, which I like. It's pretty cute. So this is the first way you can wear this shirt. It's just basically on the shoulder, and it's just giving a V-neck shirt. The second way you can wear this shirt is just to pull those sides down some, and you can wear this shirt like this. This chair is squeaking. Okay, but anyway, besides, yeah, okay, anyway. So you can wear the shirt like this. I really like this. It's giving a little, you know, some little shoulder action. I like that. I really like the way the shirt looks like this. I think that it is really cute. So what you think? So the third way that you can wear this shirt, you guys, just, you know, put one side up like such. I don't want my t-shirt showing there, but you can put one side up like that. Get that together. Right. And so you can wear the shirt like this, off one shoulder, okay, but with a V-neck look. I should really like that too. It's kind of cute. It's giving something. But yeah, so I had 3 ways that you can wear this shirt. Like I said, I hope that you guys find the video that I'm about to do very informative, and I hope that you guys are able to follow the video so that you can create a shirt just like the one I have on right here. So let's jump right into this video. To get started with our shirt, we are going to need some scissors, a pen, and some clothespins. is the shirt that we will be using as a guide to make the cuts on our shirt. The next step would be to crop our shirt. So for this part, we will be using the shirt that we already have to use that as a guide. Now, if you do not have a shirt to use that is already cropped, I would recommend using the clothespins that I shown earlier in this video as a guide as to where you want your crop to go. So normally for this part, I would use an ink pen to make the marks on my shirt. However, this is a black shirt, so the ink will not show up on the shirt, of course. So if you have a dark colored shirt, I will use clothespins here like I mentioned before. That way you can see exactly where your crop needs to go. So now flip your shirt over and put the neck part of the shirt towards you. So once again, we're going to use our crop shirt as a guide to make the cuts in the top of the shirt like I'm showing you right here. These cuts are going to be the starting point for the V-neck of our shirt. So once again, we're going to use our crop shirt as a guide, and we're just going to lay that on top of our shirt. And we're going to line that up as good as we can with the shoulders of our shirt. Now, as before, I will use the ink pen to mark where I want to make my splits. But since this is a dark shirt, again, it will not show up. So we are going to be using the clothespins again to indicate where we want our V neck to start. Okay, so I'm just showing you here that you can use your finger, the knuckle part of your finger, as a guide instead of using clothespins. Okay, so moving along, I want you to go grab something with a straight edge and something that is pretty sturdy, and we're going to use this to make the V part of our shirt. So we're going to start by making a small slit at the top of the shoulder of the shirt, and we're going to do this on both sides. So, and we're also going to make sure that this cut is going through the front and the back of the shirt, okay? I just wanted to give a close-up of the slit at the top shoulder of the shirt so you can see how that looks. So we are going to stick our scissors into that slit so that we will only cut the front half of the shirt, okay? You do not want to cut the back of the shirt. I'm just showing you here that we're going to go ahead and make our V-cut down the front half of the shirt. Okay, so this is how your shirt should be looking at this point.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now?
All right, y'all, so now that we have the two cuts on the side of our shirt to make our V, we're going to cut a circular shape right here at the bottom of the V to connect the two lines. So we're not going to have a straight point there. We're actually going to make that a circular curve. Okay, so if your shirt looks like this, you did good, girl. If it don't, you still did good, girl. You know, all the shirts won't be exactly the same. So whatever your style is, make it sure however you want it to look. But this is the general idea. So we are pretty much done here. So the final cut on this shirt is going to be cutting the neck of the shirt. Okay, and we're going to do that from the cut at one shoulder, and we're going to take that all the way to the cut of the other shoulder. It's super simple and very easy to do. All right, so you are 99% done at this point, and this is how your shirt should be looking, okay? That's a cute shirt. I hope you guys like the way that the shirt has turned out, and I hope your shirt turned out this way as well. Like I said, it's a pretty simple shirt to make, and it is very, very cute. So the very, very last step that we're going to do with this shirt is go along all the cut edges and pull or stretch those edges so that we curl them. Okay, so we're going to do this all along the bottom, and we're also going to do this at the top around the neck part that we cut.
No secrets, no secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
ladies, that is it. You are done. This shirt turned out really, really cute. I hope that you enjoyed making this shirt with me. I hope that this video was very easy to understand and follow. Listen, I hope that you guys also take the time to watch some of the other videos that I've done on DIY shirts on my channel at Iamtonyalatise. Alright, so this is style number 1. And this is just having the shirt off on both shoulders. Cute, cute, cute. For style number 2, we're just going to pull the shirt down on our shoulders so we can have the off shoulder look. This one is the one that I really like.
It's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in.
So the final style is style number 3, and this is just the off shoulder look with one shoulder. You can do this on either shoulder. So I'm just going to show you one shoulder, and then I'm just going to show you how it looks on the other shoulder. I like this one too. Which style is your favorite? Let me know down in the comment which style you like the best, and let me know how you feel about this video. Okay, you guys, so this is this shirt that I just did. This shirt has a much looser collar or neckline, so it falls down a lot. If you like that, so you can wear it like a one shoulder off, like right here, or 2 shoulders off, like I showed with the other shirt. You can wear this like this as well, or you can put them up and wear it like this. So I like this shirt. I don't like this much as I like my Tupac shirt, but I like the work day, you know, the Run DMC look. So it's cute. But yeah, so I wanted to come back into the camera, and I wanted to let you guys see how the shirt look with me standing up. Right, so this is how the shirt look. This is I think this is the favorite way that I would like to wear the shirt. I like having the off shoulder. Okay, this is how it looks in the back, you guys, you know, and again, this is how it looks in the front. So like I said, I really like the shirt a lot. And how did you guys like the video? I hope that y'all was able to follow that video, because listen, I want you to get you a shirt like this now. Okay, let's burn my chair. Okay, and let me talk about this chair a little bit. So this is a chair that my daughter had, and she lets me have it basically. And so I love this chair. Okay, so you know, shouts out to my daughter Lily for letting her mama have this chair. So cute. Thank you, sweetheart. But yeah, anyway, so you guys, I hope that y'all had enjoyed that video. I hope that you was able to follow it and make you a shirt just like this one. Also, please let me know if you like the way that I did this video, talking to the camera more like this instead of doing like a voiceover, so I can make the videos that you guys like. So listen, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you go ahead and do that. Tell a friend, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, y'all.